OpenAI just dropped an even newer version of GPT. They're calling it GPT-4.
Check 1, 2, 3. Imagine conversing with an AI that can write songs, code, stories, and jokes. An AI that can answer your question, help you with your tasks, and learn from your feedback. An AI that can see and understand images, as well as text. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore, because OpenAI has just announced the launch of its most advanced system yet, GPT-4. GPT-4 is the latest milestone in OpenAI's effort to create artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which is the ultimate goal of AI research. AGI is the ability of a machine to perform any intellectual tasks that a human can do, and GPT-4 is getting closer to the goal than ever before. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about GPT-4. What is it? How does it work? What can it do? And how it compares to its predecessors, ChatGPT and GPT-3. We're going to go through some amazing examples of GPT-4 in action and discuss the implications and challenges of this groundbreaking technology. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. But before we delve into GPT-4, let's take a quick look at what GPT stands for. Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a fancy way of saying that it's a large neural network that can generate text based on some input. GPT is not the first generative pre-trained transformer model. It's the fourth generation of such models developed by OpenAI since 2018. GPT-1 had 117 million parameters and could generate coherent text on various topics. GPT-2, which had 1.5 billion parameters and could generate longer and more diverse text, but also raised some ethical concerns about its potential misuse. GPT-3, which had 175 billion parameters and could generate impressive text on almost any domain, performed other tasks like answering questions, summarizing text, translating languages, and writing code. GPT-3 was also the model behind ChatGPT, the popular AI chatbot that went viral in 2020. But now, OpenAI has taken things to the next level with GPT-4, their most advanced system. According to their announcement on page 1, GPT-4 is a large multimodal model that can accept image and text inputs and emit text outputs. This means that GPT-4 can generate text from text, images, or a combination of both. For example, you can give GPT-4 an image of a dog and ask it to write a caption for it, or give it a prompt like, write a poem about this image, and it'll do so. GPT-4 also has more parameters than GPT-3, although the exact number has not been disclosed yet. Some reports suggest that it could have up to 1 trillion parameters, making it 6 times larger than GPT-3 and more than 8,000 times larger than GPT-1. More parameters mean more computational power and more capacity to learn from data. But GPT-4 is not just bigger than GPT-3, it's also better in terms of its capability and performance. OpenAI claims GPT-4 can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy, thanks to its broader knowledge and problem-solving abilities. For example, it can pass a simulated bar exam with a score around the top 10% of test takers. In contrast, GPT-3's score was around the bottom 10%. GPT-4 is also more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. It can also handle longer and more complex context than GPT-3, maintaining a coherent conversation or story for longer periods. Perhaps the most exciting feature of GPT-4 is its ability to see and understand images and text. This opens up a new world of possibilities for GPT-4, as it can now interact with visual information and generate relevant text to the images. For example, you can give GPT-4 an image of a person and ask it to write a biography for them, or give it an image of a product and ask it to write a review for it. You can also give GPT-4 a text prompt and ask it to find or create an image that matches, such as draw a picture of a dragon, or find an image of a famous landmark. The multimodal capability of GPT-4 is made possible by using vision transformers, or VITs, which are neural networks that apply the transformer architecture to images. VITs can process images as sequences of patches, similar to how transformers process text and sequence of words. This allows VITs to learn the relationship between different parts of the image and between images and text. By combining VITs with GPT-4's language model, OpenAI has created a powerful system to understand and generate visual and textual data. To demonstrate the power of GPT-4, OpenAI has released some amazing examples of GPT-4 in action of their website. You can also try GPT-4 on ChatGPT, which is an OpenAI web app for chatting with GPT-4. ChatGPT is free to use and syncs your history across devices. It also integrates Whisper, OpenAI's open-source speech recognition system, enabling voice input. ChatGPT Plus subscribers get exclusive access to GPT-4's capabilities, early access to features, and faster response times, all on iOS. But while GPT-4 is undoubtedly impressive, it's not perfect. OpenAI has acknowledged that, similar to its previous versions, GPT-4 has some limitations and is less capable than humans in various real-world scenarios. Inaccurate responses, commonly called hallucinations, have been a persistent challenge for many AI programs, including GPT-4. Hallucinations are when an AI OpenAI generates text not based on facts or logic, but on its assumptions or biases. For example, if you ask GPT-4, who's the president of India, it might reply with Narendra Modi, which is correct, but if you ask it, who's the prime minister of India, it might reply with Rahul Gandhi, which is wrong. Hallucinations can occur for various reasons, such as lack of data, lack of context, lack of feedback, or lack of alignment. Lack of data means that the AI has not seen enough examples of a certain topic or domain to learn from. Lack of context means that the AI does not have enough information about the current situation or the user's intent to generate a relevant response. Lack of feedback means the AI does not receive any signals about whether its response was correct, so it cannot improve over time. And lack of alignment means that AI does not share the same goals or values as the user or society, so that it might generate harmful or unethical responses. To address these challenges, OpenAI has spent 6 months making GPT-4 safer and more aligned. They have incorporated more human feedback, including feedback submitted by ChatGPT users, to improve GPT-4's behavior. They've also worked with over 50 experts for early feedback in AI safety and security domain. They have applied lessons from real-world use of their previous models to GPT-4's safety research and monitoring system, and they have added content filters to stop GPT-4 from generating disallowed content, such as hate speech, violence, or personal information. OpenAI claims that GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT-3, GPT 3.5 on their internal evaluation. However, they also admit that these results are imperfect and have room for improvement. They encourage users to report any issues or shortcomings in GPT-4's performance to help guide further research and development. GPT-4 is undoubtedly a game changer in AI and natural language processing. It can potentially revolutionize many industries and domains, such as education, entertainment, healthcare, business, and more. It can also empower individuals and communities with new ways of expressing themselves and accessing information. However, it also poses significant social risks and challenges, such as misinformation, manipulation, privacy, security, and ethics. Therefore, it's crucial that we use GPT-4 responsibly and ethically, and that we monitor its impact on implications carefully. As Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman said, clearly AI is going to win. How people adjust is a fascinating problem. How will we adjust to the rise of AI and the emergence of GPT-4? How will we ensure that AI is used for good and not evil? How will we balance the benefits and risks of AI? And how will we coexist with AI in harmony and respect? These are some of the questions we must ask ourselves as we witness the incredible progress of AI and natural language processing. GPT-4 is not just a tool, it's a partner, friend, a teacher, and a learner. It's a reflection of our collective intelligence, creativity, and curiosity. It's also a challenge for our responsibility, ethics, and values. As OpenAI says on its website, its mission is to ensure that artificial intelligence is aligned with humanity's values and can be deployed safely and equitably for everyone. They invite anyone who shares this vision to join them in their quest to create and shape the future of AI. To learn more about OpenAI and GPT-4, visit their website, follow them on Twitter, or join their Discord community. And that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and the digital world. Bye.